Your standing desk is all set up. But now what? How does it work? How do you know you're using it right? What about ergonomics? Hey, I'm Norm with UPLIFT, and I'm here to get you started with your desk. Let's talk about keypads. The keypad allows you to set your desk to the perfect height. We offer many different models, so you'll want to refer to your instructions for your particular keypad. But for now, we'll talk about general operations. The keypad is versatile. You can manually adjust your desk height at any time by holding the up or down arrows. You can also program preset positions. This will allow you to set the perfect standing or sitting height with a simple push of a button. To program a preset, adjust the desk to your desired height, then press the M button. When you see an S on the display, press one of the numbered buttons to save that number with the height you're at. It's that simple. Most keypads offer 4 presets, so you have plenty of options. Whether it's for your main standing and sitting positions, you have one of our stools, or you share your workspace. We have all your heights covered. Now, let's talk ergonomics. There's a few general rules you want to follow when working ergonomically at your desk. When standing, you'll want to make sure your elbows are bent at 90 degrees with your shoulders back. When sitting, your feet should be flat on the floor. Next, you'll want to adjust your chair and armrest height. Elbows and knees should be bent at 90 degrees. Your forearms should be parallel to the floor. Wrists should be straight while typing and mousing. If using a monitor, you'll want to position it so the top of the screen is at or just below eye level. Well, there you have it. With our anti-collision system, increased foot stability with trimmer guard technology, and patented accessory mounting systems, you're now ready to do your best work all in a way that supports your well-being. Finally, UPLIFT desk frame parts, desktops, and accessories are backed by our 15-year warranty. Have questions? Our team's ready to help at upliftdesk.com.